My name is Christopher Graham, and I went through the caterer program at Penn Foster. So I actually found Penn Foster through my parents. They saw an advertisement, and they were like, "Hey, we know you love cooking. We think that this might be a good opportunity for you to pursue your career." I was pretty much struggling job to job. It was something that 9 to 5, go to work. Really didn't like it, but I had to. Working that dead-end job, not knowing anything about the catering aspect of what to do, how to run the business, or anything like that, Penn Foster really stepped in with that, showing me everything that I needed to do, from the basics to the main necessities of the business, of doing catering. There's a lot that Penn Foster has done for me just overall, between certifications and running my business. At times it was very easy, and then at other times it was kind of like, okay, where do I go from here with this or with that? But then, of course, turning to Penn Foster, there was a lot of support there. So it really made it a lot easier in my times, where I was struggling, that you guys were there for us as a student. The skills that I gained from the catering program, that's a tough question. I gained a lot. Overall, I would say I have gained a lot of kitchen knowledge, not only in the kitchen, but also in my studies. I've always been the one to rush through things, but I really caught myself focusing more on what I needed to get done. And it pretty much brought myself down to where I'm like, okay, let's focus on this, this, and this. So I would say mainly my focusing and dedication to schooling. I'm a father of 4. I got 3 grandbabies, and I can do it on my own time. I don't have to go to a school setting. I'm able to do it at home, still focus on my family, take care of my family, and at the same time work on my own business. So it really helped me out a lot to be able to further my career goals and balance with my family as well. Not only is it a personal thing for me, but also to show my kids and my grandkids, hey, you can still do anything you want. It doesn't matter what age you're at, but you can still do it if you put your mind to it. As far as the business aspect, I am hoping for my kids to take over that and be able to utilize Penn Foster as a way to learn more about the catering side of what they don't want from me, But I would really want them to go through have the same opportunity I had to Penn Foster to be able to pursue the catering side of the business. It has given me the opportunity to grow in my business. Especially being in where I'm from, a lot of people look at, do you have your certification? Do you know this? Do you know that? And if you don't have this, well, then they're like, oh, next person. Well, being with Penn Foster and actually learning what I have learned, it has really financially just been over and beyond, with the opportunity of business and customers and just growing. So Penn Foster is like my backbone, I guess you could say, in the business, really are, because they taught me so much to be able to grow. Yeah, it has definitely been a journey. It really has. So this is actually my second time in the caterer program. First time I wasn't all into it the way I wanted to. This time around, it was just really amazing, because I never knew the support we have, when it comes to Penn Foster. I thought it was just a regular online school, and no, it's not that at all. It's not your average go to school, come home. It was like, hey, I need help with this. Hey, we're here. Give us a call. Let's get you to grow and get you to where you need to be. It wasn't just saying, oh, thanks for paying, here's your schoolwork. No, it's, you guys are like a family to everyone, and you guys really just care a lot about students. When you think something is the impossible, and that impossible is possible, it can be done. It's just a matter of really just taking that first step to follow your dreams. Someone considering to enroll in the Penn Foster program, I would say just do it. Don't hesitate. Just go ahead and hit that submit button and sign up today. It's one of the best things ever. I mean, seriously.